Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammer Doc. I'm getting ready to install this cord onto this fast motor. But before I do that, I have to clip this part of the cord here to make it look like this, so it can fit into the socket of a Leslie amplifier. Okay, so I use one of these to do that. And so I want to get close. I want to clip those wings. There you go. One. Okay. Put that wing. Then, okay, clip that off. I'll take my little file here. I got some cobalt files. And I'll file it down there. Moving that out. Okay. Then I have a Leslie amplifier over here. See, you can plug right into it also. Plugs right into the socket. All right, so that's perfect. Plugs right into the socket. Now I can connect these two. I'll solder these wires together. Of course, I'll use some heat shrink. And that's it for this video. Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc. Peace out.